Hope you got out today and enjoyed some really nice weather. If you weren't able to, I think there's still going to be some nice weather out there again for us tomorrow. A live look in Poteau right here. This from our Eastern Oklahoma Medical Center camera. Beautiful blue skies. Temperatures in the River Valley warmed into the low 80s out there this afternoon. Now, got some more clouds with us in northwest Arkansas. You can see those here in Bentonville, Fayetteville, and in Springdale. Those clouds should clear out over the next couple of hours. Meanwhile, temperatures in northwest Arkansas right now largely in the 70s. As we put Futurecast into motion, what we'll notice is early tomorrow morning, we're likely right around sunrise, there's going to be a batch of showers. Right now, Futurecast has most of those staying just north of the state line. I wouldn't be surprised if a couple of those raindrops don't make it into parts of Benton, Carroll, and maybe even extending further south into Washington or Madison County. Not going to be much at all. Most of us are going to be nice and dry tomorrow. It's going to be a warm one. Many of us are in the 80s. Some of us likely in the mid to even upper 80s out there, noticeably warmer. And the reason why, it's these southerly winds. As you're waking up tomorrow morning, 15 miles per hour, that's going to be common, but by mid to late morning, certainly continuing into the afternoon, we could see gusts as high as 40 in northwest Arkansas, as high as 30 to 35 in the River Valley. Those winds stay pretty breezy most of the day right out of the south. Let's talk about Friday. Couple of changes to pass along to you. Number one, it's increasingly likely that our system arrives a little bit later. Now, with that said, wouldn't rule out a couple of scattered showers Friday afternoon into the evening, but the bulk of the rain may not move in until really early, the wee morning hours of Saturday. This is 5 a.m. You can see a pretty strong signal just off to our west. That's moving our direction. Likely going to be a wet day for us on Saturday. Doesn't mean it's going to be a constant steady rain, but it does mean we're going to have decent high rain chances most of the day. On and off showers continuing through Saturday evening into Sunday morning. Other change to pass along to you is somewhat good news. Now, it does look like we're going to start off rather wet, maybe even stormy on Easter Sunday, but the system looks to be exiting a little bit sooner. This is 3:30 in the afternoon. Some strong signals here that rain's probably wrapping up for us by early afternoon. Certainly by the evening, a lot of us are probably going to end up being dry. Severe weather risk for Friday, largely unchanged. Level 2 here in yellow, level 1 in green. This is going to be for late Friday night, really technically into Saturday morning, so keep that in mind. Now, when it comes to Saturday, our risk looks like this. As that front continues to sag off towards the south, it'll at least keep a conditional chance of some severe storms in the forecast. Now, here's some more good news for you. As that system is set to exit a little bit quicker, our severe weather risk for Easter Sunday, it's shifting off towards the east just a little bit. It does still include portions there in yellow. That's going to be our eastern viewing area. We'll keep you posted as that forecast there becomes more clear. 7-day shows this, 20 to 40 mile per hour gusts tomorrow. It's going to be a warm and mostly sunny day. Clouds will be on the increase Friday. Chance of rain up to about 50%. Again, keep in mind most of that's going to be in the evening. It'll get rather high going into Friday night, Saturday, and then continuing into Sunday. Next week we get a slight break on Monday, and then our next disturbance likely begins to move into the area by Tuesday. Certainly going into Wednesday in the River Valley, 86 degrees tomorrow. It's going to be a warm day, mostly sunny skies. Winds breezy, but not as breezy as northwest Arkansas. Chance of rain about 40% Friday. Again, a lot of that's going to be later in the evening into the overnight hours. Chance of rain on Saturday, it's going to be the highest. Rain, potentially some severe storms. We'll have to watch for some flash flooding. I still think 2 to 4 inches is going to be common for a lot of us. Flash flooding risk is really going to be dictated by where those heaviest bands set up. Unfortunately, it's probably going to be Saturday night into Sunday when we see the majority of that take place. So we'll keep you posted as that becomes more clear there as well.
Kind of start moving stuff indoors this weekend.
If it's Saturday for sure. If it's Sunday afternoon,
still not bad.
Not
okay,
improving.
We'll
improving.
See. Okay. All right. Scott, thanks.